a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby, she goes back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. One of the things I did this week is I hammered on my welding bench a little too much and broke my little camera holder. See the little thing that squeezes the camera together, it holds it kind of, well, actually it's like this. It holds it and you put the camera in here and it holds it down. Well, I went to buy a new one and guess what? This one only holds it this way, it doesn't hold it that way. It definitely, see, like if you're putting a camera, where's it on? There's my other phone, see. If you put a phone in here, which I use for a camera, I have to bend it like, I have to figure out what the hell I'm doing first. I have to bend it like this, and then lock it in order for it to get a clear video, but it just doesn't make any sense whatsoever. So I have to have it like that instead of just locking it in straight up like that when I'm putting the camera. I know it's stupid. They don't make these things very good. I keep seeing them all made in plastic, and I'm wondering, I gotta find one. If anybody on YouTube knows where I can get one of these little camera holders that screw into a tripod, huge tripod, useless. And these things are so like I don't know, like you tighten it and they don't really stay that good. Well, this one just proved me wrong, but anyway, yeah. Like, what the hell you do with this? I put my camera on here and the thing falls over. The camera's so heavy. Not really a camera, it's my old phone. I don't have a camera for this. Just a pain in the butt. So yeah, if you know where to get a good one like this, someone send me a message. Check. I mean, I could get a camera and mount it on the tripod, but you know, I'd rather smash an old phone instead of destroying a $500 camera. And I'm not wasting $500 on. You know, I mean, there's a bazillion iPhones out there I could use for the next 100 years for cheaper than a camera. Plus, makes decent videos. So anyway, that's my first video rant. We'll end it here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and say whatever.